Hey guys, welcome back to At Home with the Sevies, and today is like a laundry routine. I mainly do laundry maybe 1 or 2 times a week. It really depends on how badly we go through like clothes and towels. And this is wash, fold, dry. I did put away a little bit of clothes, but we usually do that late at night. Or sometimes I wait to the next day to do it. It depends on how late and how long it takes me to do laundry, because it can be a little rough. But I hope you guys like this video. It's a little different than just plain cleaning video. For me, I like doing these because they're easy to edit, but also it shows you guys still some motivation to get up and do your laundry. And let me know your guys' laundry routine in the comments. I would love to see other people's views on cleaning, like their laundry routine, cleaning routines, everything. If you want to see a cleaning routine, I am trying to get a better cleaning routine. I've been looking into it, but when I do and get one that I really like, I will make sure to film an updated like cleaning routine. And also I might do a weekend cleaning routine. And I hope you guys like this video. Remember, if you are new, please subscribe. And join our family. I'm Morgan. I have a husband and 2 kiddos, and we live in Ohio. So I hope you guys like this video. Remember to turn the notification bell on, share, and like as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. And I am sorry if my voice is a little like scratchy. I am dealing with allergies once again. I swear it's like an over recurrence. I'll take medicine, but it's also the Ohio weather. Anytime they mow or the weather gets below a certain temperature, my allergies go crazy. But I wanted to tell you guys what I use in my laundry. I use the either the Sun laundry brand or the Extra laundry brand. I use sometimes both because I like them. They're also very reasonably priced. They don't break me out also. And I use distilled white vinegar for my fabric softener because it makes everything nice and soft, especially your towels. I do use bleach in my whites, and then I also use fabric sheets for the dryer, but I don't use them all the time, but most of the time I do, if that makes sense. I also use the dryer balls. Sometimes I put essential oils on them, and sometimes I don't. It just, depends on my mood and how much laundry I have to do. And this video, I did a lot of laundry. Let's put it that way. I probably haven't done laundry for about a week to maybe over a week in this video, so it was quite a bit. I thought I would let you guys know what I use. Let me know in the comments what you use. I would love to know, what other products, because I'm very sensitive to strong smells.
Ha ha ha.